Hello everyone, my name is Hika Ito and welcome to Bizmates Trendy News. And today's top story is vending machines. But not just regular vending machines. These are peak shift vending machines. That's right. They use no energy during the day to keep drinks cool. Instead, they use just a little energy at night. Absolutely amazing. In fact, this vending machine won the Energy Conservation Award. So congratulations to them. And it's become more and more important, especially in Japan, since the Tohoku earthquake, for everyone to conserve energy. So, here are some things that you and I can do in our own homes, okay? So, for example, we can unplug electrical appliances or electrical products that we're not using, right? Yeah, or we can use low power for air conditioning. Yeah, okay? And of course, we can just take out light bulbs that we don't really need. Just a few simple things that we can do. Okay, so anyway, today's lesson is conserve. Yes, conserve. And this means to protect from overuse or waste. It's a very important word, okay? And here are some examples. So we can say the vending machines, the peak shift vending machines, conserve electricity. They protect from overuse of electricity, right? Or we can say the vending machine won the Energy Conservation Award. Yeah. And we can also say, I'm an active conservationist. Yeah. So I protect the environment. I care about the environment, the animals, the plants. Yeah. And I conserve energy. Okay? So my question to you is, how do you conserve energy at home or at the office? Okay, think about it. And we will see you next time. Thank you.